Okay, Adams, go ahead with that question again. You said you want to know what?
How to use a multimeter and how to identify the symbols on it when you are measuring things that are not your target.
Okay, today in our class we are dealing with how to know the symbols on a multimeter. Here are the written things in this multimeter. Like here, we start from the off. This is the off button. I showed us the symbol of DC last time. This is a symbol of DC. This symbol here. I hope you are seeing my cursor. Here is symbol of what? DC symbol. So it means that all these numbers that falls here are under what? DC. Then again, coming down to this side, this is what? What symbol is this? This is AC symbol. This AC symbol. This symbol stands for AC. It means that all the things here under AC. If you want to read any AC below 200, you keep it here. Keep your this also here. Then above 200 is you put it 600.
Okay, so like that 600 is the maximum.
Yes, volts you can use this meter to read. That 600 is maximum volts you can use this 600 this meter to read under AC. Also, 600 is the highest volts you can use this meter to read under DC. Okay. Now we come down to we come down here. Care. Depending on how many care you are reading, this is your ohms. This line is your ohms. Ohms, depending on what you want to read on your ohms. Measure these places, you use it to read your diode, resistors. Your continuity is here. Your continuity alarm. That time you hear spin. Yes, that is a continuity alarm. You come to this side, you have seen your amps. Depending, this is your DC amps. You have seen DC sign here, right? That is, you see it, right? That is your DC amps. Then coming down here now, coming down here, capacitors. You can read their capacitors that side. Coming down again. Okay. Let's get it back. Okay. Then your probe, which is very important. How you place your probe is based on what you will read. I've taught this before, but your probe, if you want to place your probe, the red wire goes to where? I think we are seeing this V here. Are we seeing V here? Your red wire comes here, while your black wire maintains where? COM, common. COM is known as common, RAM. You maintain it here. If you want to read here, you bring your probe down here. If you want to read amps, you bring your probe down here, because this is not a digital clamp meter. If you want to use it to read amps, you need to come down there. Then I'm coming. I know that I will show you digital clamp meter here.
So is it the red cable, the red pole, sorry, that you take to that other side you want to read it?
If you want to read what? But I hope you have understood at least the functions. You say you wanted to know the function, as in those things written there, what they are for. And from there I taught you now how to place your probe. Where to place your probe before you start reading. Okay. So